summer. It's humid here, it'll always be. Days are long, but we're running out. It's okay, summer's here right now. Here you are, sitting by my side. All I'm thinking is how I might be so lucky to be with you. I've done something in another life. See our picture frames by the doorway. The future place we live in. It can't be my home without you in it. So stay with me, 'cause you're